Test on one day. India, England, Australia. What a player! What a player! What a player!
Welcome back, everybody, to What a Player Concussion Sub Series, T20, and West Indies and Australia. What else can you ask for on a weekend? I think there are back-to-back games coming up for between West Indies and Australia. It's a lead up to the T20 World Cup. Both the teams are lining up. I think West Indies is warming up. Though they lost the series versus South Africa 3-2, they will be looking forward for this practice leading into the World T20 World Cup. And Australia, who have not been in action since a while, start the campaign for World Cup. So to talk about the series and also the fantasy tips, stay tuned till the end of the episode to get them. We have Akash, Vishak, and Sanjay back on our show. Welcome, guys. And how do you feel that this series will progress between Australia and West Indies? Closely knit or one-sided?
We're looking at the second game basically out here. First game has not started yet. It's pretty late India time, so it's going to be like early morning 5 o'clock. So despite that, we're doing a fantasy for the second game already. But from a series perspective, I think it's going to be very entertaining. I would slightly believe Australia might edge out West Indies, but West Indies back home.
So let's have a look how the fantasy team is coming up.
Starting with the wicketkeeper, we have gone with Matthew Wade. He is expected to bat into the top 3, so that's why we have picked him. And if Chris Gayle plays today's game, he will not be playing the next game. That's why we are expecting Lendl Simmons to play in the second T20. That's why we have picked him. Aaron Finch, the Australian captain. If he gets going, he can get you very good points. That's why we have picked him. Evan Lewis looks in very good form. He is the other batter. And here is the dark horse. We have picked Joshua Philippe as the vice captain.
And decades have passed by since seeing Dan Christian in the Australian colours. He's back, and he's back with a bang, it seems. And the coach is happy with him. The team is happy with him. So let's pick him as well. So Dan Christian is your all-rounder out there, followed by Andre Russell as the captain, simply because he can do both. We are not sure about his fitness level, but going by his powers with the bat as well as with the ball, we're going to pick him as the captain. Knowing West Indies' struggles against left-arm spin in the South Africa series, wherein George Lind actually had bowled brilliantly, we are again continuing to back Ashton Agar out here. We hope that he's going to tie up the West Indies batsman in the middle overs, and that's the reason we have picked him. Coming to the bowlers, Dwayne Bravo, your ever quintessential death over bowler, he'll be there. Mitchell Starc with his pace at the start as well as the end, he should be there. Followed by Obed McCoy, brilliant variations, back of the hand, slower bowls as well. So we've picked him as well. That's your 11.
I see change of RCB in the team selection, which is understandable. Josh Philippe, Dan Christian, Mitchell Starc, Aaron Finch. You not only picked him but also made him the captain, Andre Russell. I think he is overhyped, and you feel that he's better off than Nicholas Pooran?
Compared to Nicholas Pooran, yeah, current status, yeah, definitely is. Simply because he bowls at the depth, and at depth, it's anybody's game. I mean, the batsman can come off, or your bowlers can come on top as well and pick up 2 or 3 handy wickets. So, considering that, and plus, even in the batting department, he comes only towards the last 4 or 5 overs. All you have to do is just close your eyes and just hit the ball. So you never know when your luck is going. It could be your day. And Andre Russell is that kind of a player. We haven't made him captain for quite some time, so we hope that he's going to come out and trumps this game. That's why he's the captain.
And this team has one less RCB player. It doesn't have Zampa. We had Zampa in the first T20I. So when we're keeping it fair, as fair as it can possibly get. But yeah, I think Nicholas Pooran versus Andre Russell. Andre Russell any day. Nicholas Pooran, I don't know how he's the vice captain. He's had such a lead patch. IPL, South Africa series. Hopefully he gets some runs because he's such a great talent, such a great player to watch. But no consistency at all.
Okay, like you guys haven't picked him, I'm sure he's going to prove you guys wrong. Where is the universe boss?
No, as I mentioned, if he plays today, playing 2 back-to-back games for him at this age of 40-41 would be really difficult. So that's the reason we have not picked him. And if he plays the first game, he'll be rested for the second. So if he doesn't play today, we can definitely pick him. So the first match, since it has not happened, we have kind of played safe, thinking that he will play the first game and not the second. That is the reason we have not picked him.
And going by the trend of us predicting left-handers not to perform, like David Malan, and we had Fakar Zaman dropping 2 of them. We are now dropping Nicholas Puran. So if you guys want to take a chance, make one more team, play Nicholas Puran and make him the captain, you're welcome to do so.
That's one pro tip I wanted to give. Any player we discuss that's not in the team ends up getting some points. So if you want to swap one player for that, then I think you'll probably do well.
Good tip. And I think our viewers are watching our shows. We are seeing a lot of comments come through. People are engaging with us. Really appreciate that. And spread the word like you always do. All the support we get is what keeps us going. As you can see, we talk about cricket irrespective of which part of the globe. That's what keeps us going. Couple of quick important things before we sign off. COVID, we continue to raise awareness about the work which our frontline workers are doing. This ton of work which has gone in now. They're all moving towards vaccinating people across the globe, which is fantastic news. Please maintain social distancing, wear masks and sanitize your hands, even though if you're vaccinated. And if your city is opening up, country is opening up, enjoy responsibly. Same like how you enjoy and play responsibly the fantasy tips and series. Hope you stay safe and hope you win a lot of money. Sanjay, Vishal and Akash, thanks for joining in and see you next time.
Stay safe.
Thanks
you,
everyone.
man.
Stay safe.